Hello everyone, it is Martha here with you, and I'm so excited to announce a new class that I have done an amazing 3-part tutorial for. So this class is in collaboration with La La Land Crafts, and I am very excited to bring it to you. The class is going to have 3 different options. So the first option is the class only option, and that is going to be $19.99 US. And it's going to have a 3-part tutorial. So the first part is going to be the album assembly. Then the second part is going to be the decorating of the album. And the third part is going to be a Copic coloring tutorial where I'm going to show you how to color these adorable little bears. It's also going to come with a PDF cutting, scoring, and die cutting guide and a supplies list, plus a 15% off discount on all La La Land Crafts products. There's also going to be a Facebook group where all the class attendees will be in so that you can ask me questions and we can chat and you can post your finished albums. It's going to be super amazing. So that's option 1. Option 2 is the Class Plus products. It has an $88 value and you are going to save 20%. It's going to be $69.99 US. So again, you're going to get the 3-part tutorial. You're going to get the Copic coloring tutorial. You're going to get the PDF with the cutting, scoring, die cutting guide, and the supplies list. And you're going to get some products to go with it. So the products are going to be this absolutely adorable honey bear clear stamp set. So these are photopolymer, high quality photopolymer stamps. These are the guys we're going to be coloring in the Copic coloring tutorial. So these are the 2 on the front here and this guy's on the inside. So you're going to get this. Then you're also going to get the amazing Awakening paper pad, and there are 24 double-sided sheets, so 2 of each sheet, absolutely gorgeous paper, and this is what we're going to be using to decorate the album with. Love these beautiful spring papers. And then you're also going to receive the shadow box die here, and we are going to use this into the tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use it, how to fold it, everything, and it's going to create this beautiful shadow box that we have on the front of our album here. And it also comes with these additional little triangle dies, and I'm going to show you a couple different ways to use these in the album, okay? And then it will also come with these inverted scallop dies. So these create like a window, and we're going to use these in the tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use them. I'm going to show you how to make a frame with them. So there's 3 different sizes here. So it's also going to come with these. All right, so that is option number 2. Option 3 is the Class Plus products plus supplies, okay? So it's going to come with everything I just showed you. So the PDF tutorial, or the cutting guide, the 3-part tutorial, the supplies list, the stamp set, the dies, the paper. But then it's also going to come with some supplies that you're going to need for your album. So that is $100 value, and you're going to be saving 20%. That option is going to be $79.99 US. So what you're going to get with that is, like I said, all of these wonderful things, plus a 10-pack of chipboard. So you're going to get 10 pieces of chipboard, which we're going to use to create our album. You're going to get 2 sheets of acetate, which we use to make these windows, and there's a couple places we use them in the album as well. And then you're also going to get 2 sheets of light blue cardstock, which is going to be what we use for accents like this right here. And you're also going to get 2 sets of magnets. So there's 4 magnets here. You are going to get 2 sets of magnets for the album, okay? So that's option 3. Amazing options. All 3 will come with the Facebook group where we're all going to be in, and you can ask me questions, you can show me your progress. It's going to be a super fun place to be. All right, so let me show you this amazing little explosion box folio. So on the front here, we do have that beautiful shadow box, and I show you how to make this whole apparatus in the tutorial. I show you how to mat everything, how to layer it. There's details on how I put everything together. We're gonna do this start to finish together, okay? So this is the lid, all right? The lid comes off of the bottom here, and it explodes out just like it says it does. This album is 6.5 by 6.5, and it has a 2.5 inch depth, okay? So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to show it to you guys. So it explodes out like this. This is a background stamp that I show you guys how to use to create some pattern paper. There's the beautiful pattern papers from the collection. So right at the front here, you have a little gatefold with a string closure that opens up just like this. And then you have a beautiful waterfall in here to add a bunch of different photos. So that is on the front page of page 1, or sorry, in the cutting guide, this is called flap 1. All right, and then it opens to the top here like this. So there's room for photos. There is some little pockets here that we die cut together, and they are going to hold this little photo mat in here. All right, so cute. And then it closes down like this, and then it opens up like this. And here we have 2 angle pockets, and I show you guys in the tutorial how to do every step of this. You are going to learn so much in this tutorial. So there's 2 angle pockets right here. And then this page opens up like this, and there is more room for photos right there. I show you how to mat everything. And then over here, we have a super fun page. So this is our 3rd little bear from the stamp set. So this little element slides down, and then this opens up like this. And then you have a little waterfall in here for photos, and then even a photo spot back here. And then it just folds again down together. And then this little element slides right back over top to keep it all closed in nicely. All right, and then this flap opens, and you have just some space for nice large photos. And then on the back of the flap, we have another waterfall. So this is where you're going to be using one of those magnets. And the waterfall comes up just like this. So many beautiful spots for photos in there. And then we have a nice deep pocket here. So this is a dimensional pocket. I'm going to lift it up so I can show you. That is a dimensional pocket. And this is where we use that inverted hexagon die to make this beautiful opening here so that you can see through to the back. There are 2 little photo booklets that go into this pocket. And you can fit a lot more in there. It's quite dimensional. And then this flips up, and you have more room for photos. You can fit so many photos into this. I can barely fit it all into the screen. And then we go to the back of this flap, and here we have a little chevron pocket that we create with a die cut or the die, and I show you how to use that, how to do that in the tutorial. And then there is another pocket back here, so you can add even more photo goodness. And then this just slides right back into there. And then down here, we have a little pocket that you can see through. So this is a little acetate pocket that you can see through, and we use that amazing little happy die, and I show you guys how to mat this on here and how to cut out the center for the frame on top of this pocket. And then it has a nice big mat inside of there. And then this flips open. I'm just trying to keep it all in the frame for you guys. This flips open here, and there's another pocket here. And then here is the adorable little triangle die that comes with the shadow box die. And I've left it open here so you could go ahead and tuck some little photos in there, or some little tickets or something that you're trying to remember. And then back here, is where we're going to be using our other magnet, because this also has a magnetic closure. So this is going to open up like this and like this and like this. And then there are some photo mats in here for nice large photos. So this is definitely a tutorial that you are going to learn a ton from, because there are so many different techniques in here. Just amazing, amazing, amazing. I absolutely loved putting this together, and I know you guys will too. So remember those 3 options. There is the class only option, which is $19.99 US, and you get the 3-part tutorial. You get the full cutting, scoring, and die cutting guide, and then you get the 15% off discount code. And you get access to that amazing Facebook group that we're all going to be in together. And then there is class option 2, which is the class plus the product. So remember, that's going to come with the beautiful paper pad. It's going to come with the stamp set, and then it's going to come with these, with the shadow box die and the little triangles that comes with it, and those amazing inverted scallops. Okay, so that's going to be class option number 2. And then class option number 3 is going to be your cutting guide, your tutorials, your paper pad, your stamp set, your dies, and all of those supplies. So the chipboard and the acetate and the paper and the magnets. And for all of this, you are still going to need to pick up some black and white cardstock, but that's all, some black and white cardstock and some brads and twine for this. But if you pick option number 3, the rest of that is going to be supplied for you. Okay, so if you want to join me creating this wonderful folio explosion box, the link will be below to where you can purchase any 3 of the options. So it's going to be lalalandcrafts.com, and it's going to be under the April 2020 release, which is where you can purchase it. And I will have the direct link down below, but you can go to lalalandcrafts.com and then go to the April 2020 release, and it'll be under that heading. So the class will be May 11th is when the class will go live. So that is when we are going to get to craft together, but you can purchase as of today. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this little walkthrough of the class. I hope very much you can join me in creating it together, and I will see you guys all again very soon. Bye-bye.